People are talking about the Sunset Auto family. Recently, Elizabeth wrote, "Worked with Nick, awesome dude. Sold me my first car, worked with my budget. Very impressed. Sunset is pretty cool." Lloyd wrote, "A lot of car dealers will tell you anything to sell you a car. Well, this is my third vehicle I've purchased from Sunset Chevy. My salesman Sky was upfront and honest about the price and made the whole sales experience smooth. And you can't beat free oil changes for life." James said, "A-plus service and very friendly people. That's what keeps me coming back to Sunset." Just a couple of the hundreds and hundreds of positive social media comments from happy Sunset Auto family customers. Your Sunset Auto family vehicle will be well taken care of by our skilled technicians. Ask about Sunset's exclusive warranty protection for life, oil changes for life, and the all-new maintenance for life. You just get more with the Sunset Auto family. People do like that.